these things right here, Waveformers. So if you want to know my honest opinion about these things, from the shipping to the installation to the final result, stay tuned.
You shake, you grind, work 9 to 5, stay.
And y'all gonna have to excuse my voice because it's allergy season and my voice is a little deep right now. My husband says it's sissy. He like it, but I think I sound like a dude. Okay, y'all. So I ordered my Waveformers on the 2nd of March. I'm looking at my email here, my confirmation email. I ordered 3 packs of the 12 pieces, and they were $5.21 a piece. I thought that was a good price. And when I first ordered them, I thought I was ordering the longest ones that they have because I got the link from a YouTuber that I follow, Amber Ansa, I think her name is. I'm gonna post her name up here. And her hair is really, really long. Her hair is like waist length. So I used that link, so I thought, okay, these are the ones that she used, and so that's what I ordered. And I got my Waveformers on Tuesday, which is I think it was the 20th. I was so excited to receive them in the mail, and they came in a little package. All 3 of them came in this little package right here. So this is what they look like right here, this little package. So my honest review of these Waveformers, when I first tried them, the day that I got them, it was wash day. It was like perfect timing. Your girl was happy, your girl was excited. I tried them, and for some reason, oh my goodness, I could not get them in my hair. It was a horror story. Let me tell you, man, it was pulling my hair out. For some reason why I wasn't getting it, and they don't come with instructions. So it looked pretty simple. It looks pretty straightforward, but in the application process, it threw me through a lot of hoops, and I wind up giving up because I could not figure it out. I'm gonna post a link right here. Go ahead and check it out, because sis, you don't want to do what I did and snatch your hair out. So check that video out. And so I posted that video, and I got a lot of awesome comments from you guys. I got so much love, and just telling me like some different tips and suggestions that I should do that other people have used that were successful. So I took them tips and I re-recorded the video using those tips, and I'm gonna post that video right here. And that was a success, y'all. I loved it. Man, you gotta watch that video. Go and watch the video. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to have some awesome stuff coming for you guys in the future. And I already got some awesome stuff on this channel now. So go ahead and subscribe. Support your girl. Support a fellow sister. Anyway. But so my review of the Waveformers is, I really like the Waveformers. This is actually day 2 of the Waveformers. And the reason why I look so curly, because I thought my root was dry, but it wasn't. And then so after I pulled them apart, they started kind of like shrinking up because they weren't fully dry. So make sure your roots are dry. The bottom can be dry, but if your roots are so dry, you don't come out looking kind of curlier than I think it's still cute. I think it's still cute, but it wasn't exactly the look I was going for. But I'm happy. I'm happy with the look. The Waveformers were too short. And what I ended up doing, I curled my ends. I just put water on it, I rehydrated it, and I just curled my ends with my finger. And that's what I did with the leave out. Would I buy Waveformers again if I had another chance? Absolutely, y'all. I think it's an awesome price. If you do it right, if you do it properly, it's a wonderful alternative to straightening your natural hair. So go ahead, sis. Go ahead and get some Waveformers. It just takes a lot of patience. And I put tips in my video on how to use Waveformers correctly. So if you're going to use them, if you're considering buying them, go ahead and check out both videos. So 1, you learn how not to do it, and then number 2, you learn how to do it properly, and I gave you a lot of good tips on that video. So yeah, it's your girl Krystle again with Life with Laughter. I love y'all, beautiful queens. Keep on rocking it, keep on being beautiful, and never settle for less, sis. And remember, you can never fail if you beat yourself. You will never fail if you beat yourself. Yourself never fail. Till next time, guys.
Pretty with a purpose. Pretty with a purpose. Pretty with a purpose. Pretty with a purpose. If you don't got dreams, we can't be friends. And eagles that soars can never be a end. Gotta live on